Hi, boss. Can you do the motorboat? What a face. Oh, yeah? Don't kick Mommy. Find your toy. Excuse you. What are you doing? No, you may not have the camera. Well, hey, you stay here with Mommy. I know you want to roll over. Okay, roll over. No, those are your jammies. Give me those. We're going, Clark. No, you may not. Back on the belly, or there on the back. That's the way to do it. Make some more noises. No. Hi, cutie. Oh, alrighty then. Clark. Clark. You gonna build something for Mommy? Clark. Look at the camera. Look at the camera and say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, mister. Clark. Say bye-bye. Oh, good enough, I guess. Get that foot!